Okay, we're going to draw some 6 shapes. We're going to draw this one right here. It's 2.5 inches tall, 3 inches wide. We're going to round the corners here in a minute. We'll also push pull it 1 inch thick. So take your pencil while you're on the top view, 3 inches, zoom in, come straight up, 2.5, come over 3, and then down 2.5. Push pull it 1 inch. Now we're going to round these corners. We were looking at a radius of half. It's labeled up here, so you measure in a half, measure down a half, draw a circle right there. So this is going to be 0.5 inner, 0.5 inner, and 0.5. That gives us intersections to place our circles. Pull the circle straight up until it clicks that quadrant point at the top. Same thing here. If you did it accurately, it should erase the inside. And then you can just push pull this back to nothing. Okay. Go back to our plan. This is 1 inch sticking out and 1 inch tall. We're going to measure up an inch, draw a line right here, and push pull it 1 inch. Now we're going to spin this around so we're looking down on it. If you go back to your plan, this circle is drawn from the top with a radius of half centered. So snap to midpoint here, pull this 0.5. You can see what we did there. Erase the front half of this and push pull this down. If you erase it, I'm going to show you what happens. You're going to open it up. So I'm going to Control Z that, undo it. We want to push pull it like that, and then dimension it and prove that it's correct. The probably hardest dimension on here is the height. So you want to spin your viewpoint around until you can see the side, and then you're going to go from the bottom to the very top and then pull this straight out like that. If you don't see 2.5, you got to change your perspective.